Hello all, hope you are doing good. Today we'll check out some native roles who give tough competition to lead actors and entertain all the audience. So let's check it out. Adi Pinishetty. He's one of the talented actor in South Indian cinema. He played a native role for the first time as a Vairam Dhanush in Sarinadu film opposite to Allu Arjun. Vairam Dhanush is one of the stylish negative role in Telugu cinema. Vishal Jetwa. He made his Bollywood debut with one of the deadliest psychopath role with Mardani 2 film. His role has got huge appraisal with his epic performance and it will be remembered for a long time. Ravi Kishan is one of the popular actor in Bhojpuri cinema. He made his South India debut with Resgurram film. He played one of the most badass villain role as Maddali Shivareddy in this film. Action King Arjun came up with native roles in Irumbuthirai and Lai. His role in Irumbuthirai film is one of the best stylish negative role and gave tough competition to lead actor Vishal. Arjun Das. He became super sensation with his native role in Kaiti. He even compared with another great actor Raghuvaran with his unique voice and performance. He became talk of the town in South Indian cinema. Arun Vijay. After struggling for many years in the industry, he got major breakthrough with his native role in Yennai Arindal. He got huge response from all the audience with his performance. Vijay Sethupathi. He is one of the best versatile actor in South Indian cinema. He also excelled in native roles in films like Vikram Veda and Master. His roles in these films are the most deadliest and entertaining. Nawazuddin Siddiqui. He is one of the versatile actor in Indian cinema. His villainism is just another level in Badlapur film. His performance got equal praise along with the hero Varun Dhawan. Ajay Devgan is one of the best actor in Bollywood cinema. He also proved that he is the best in negative roles in films like Company, Kaal and Khaki. His negative role in Khaki is the best and badass one. Rajinikanth is the biggest superstar in South Indian cinema. He did many films and roles throughout his film career, but his negative role in Enthiran is very special. He gave one of the badass negative performance with his role as Robo. Ranveer Singh. His role in Padmavat as Alauddin Khilji is one of the all-time best villain role in Indian cinema. With his amazing performance, he completely outshined the lead actors. Sonu Sood. He is one of the most loved and versatile actor in Indian cinema. His negative roles in films Arundhati, July and Simba got equal praise with lead actors. Raghuvaram. He is one of the best villain in South Indian cinema. His negative roles in films Basha, Shiva is just top notch. There are many villains in Indian cinema, but he is very special. He created a unique benchmark in villainism. Amrish Puri is one of the finest actors in Indian cinema. His role in Nagina movie is just top notch and will be loved by most of the audience. He set a separate standards for villainism in Indian cinema. Ajmal Khan is one of the finest actors in Bollywood. His role in Sholay movie is very special and will be loved by everyone. His dialogue Kitne Aadmi The from Sholay is still popular, and his character Gabbar Singh is one of the iconic characters in Indian cinema. So that's all guys. Please do subscribe and click on notification icon for more videos. Take care.